So, hey, Joel, thanks so much for spending a few minutes with me to tell me a little bit about what your experience is of the pandemic shift. But before we get started, why don't you tell me briefly about what your business does?
Yeah, thanks for asking, Stefan. Usher Plant Care is an organic plant healthcare company, and our aim is to manage plant and soil health, and also to control disease-causing insects with holistic methods and cutting-edge organic products for the last about 6 years now.
And tell me a little bit about how was business before the pandemic shift?
We had suffered a large financial blow because of our largest customer had a financial cutback, and it really hit our company hard. And so when the pandemic came itself, it just added a big cloud on top of an already big cloud that we had. So it became very difficult and stark for us.
Got it. Got it. Sorry. And what was one thing you got out of the pandemic shift that you'd like to share?
You know, in one word, I'd say hope. And it came in the form of dialogue with some of the other strugglers and idea sharers that were there. It was so refreshing to be able to be candid, to open up and pull the curtains back a little bit, and then to walk away with encouragement, with some really helpful tips and again a new spirit of hope.
What has been the result of your business because of the pandemic shift?
Yeah, I'd say that being able to steadily maintain a much more steady focus and intent on believing and achieving some of the goals that I had. So again, in short, I'd say I have hope, and that my hope has feet now. I have a plan now that can be married to the passion that I have. So that's really the overwhelming great experience that I had.
Love it. Love it. And thank you. Thank you so much for this. This is really helpful to know.